4. Now 8 in 84. So you have to underline the 8 and tell me what is the place value of 8 in 84. It is the second number, so it comes in tens. So you have to write 8, 0, 80. Now look over here. 2 in 200. So what is the place value of 2 in 200? It comes in which place? Can you say? Ones, tens and hundreds. So your answer will be 200. We have to only write the number which comes before. How many numbers are there after the number of the place value given? Like 5 in 105. Now you have to underline the number which is given over here. That is 5. So 5 comes in which place? Ones place. So you have to only write 5. Now 6 in 167. So underline number 6 and you have to write 6 comes in which place? Ones and tens. So you have to write 6. Now you have to see how many numbers are there. After 6, only one number. So you have to only write 0. Did you understood it? Now 7 in 7's place. Now 7 is a single digit number. So what you will write? Only 7. Did you understood now? Yes, I hope you have understood this now. Now take page number 13, write today's date and write CW. Now look at the first exercise. A1, 123. So for this you have to start from left side. Like 100. It is 100. 1 comes in 100's place. So you have to write 100. Plus sign you have to put. Then 2 comes in which place? Tens place. So 2 tens. And again put a plus sign. Then 3 comes in which place? Ones place. So 3 ones. So you have to place it like this. 1 you have to write over here. And how many numbers are there after 1? 2. So 2 zeros. Then again you have to put the plus sign. Then what comes the next number? 2 comes. So you have to write here 2. And how many number comes after 2? Only one number. So you will put here 0. And put a plus sign. Then what comes after 3? No number. So you have to only write 3. So I am going to solve this 4 sums. And these 2 you have to do at your homework. This is CW. And this is HW. Okay, this first 3 sums I will solve and 2 sums you will do as your homework. Okay, now look over here. 104. So first we have to start with the left number, that is 100. 100 plus, so middle number is 0, so we don't have to write anything. It will comes to 104 once. That is 100 plus 4. Did you understood? If you have not understood, because 0 is there, it's little confusing. But still, I would do the second sum. That is, what is the first number? 1. So write here 100 plus. Now what is the next number? 5. So 5 comes in which place? Tens place. So write here 5 tens plus. Now what is the last number? 7. So 7 ones. Now how you will write in expanded form? Like 1 comes in hundreds place. So put 2 zeros. Then what? How many numbers comes after 1? After 5 only one number comes. So put a 1 0. Then again put a plus sign. Now what is the last number? 7. So how many numbers are there after 7? No number. So you have to only write 7. Did you understood? If you have not understood, I would like to teach you again. Now, 170. So, what is the first number? 100. 100. So, write here 100 plus. Now, what is the next number? 7. 7 comes in which place? Tens place. So write here 7 tens plus 0. So nothing is there. So just leave it. Okay. So don't write anything. So automatically what will come? 1. After 1 how many numbers are there? 2. So write 2 zeros plus. What is the next number? 7. So how many numbers comes after 7? 1 number. So 0. And if any number is there? No, na? So you will not write anything. It will be automatically understand 170. Okay students, I hope you have understood till D. And these two is your homework. So you try to do it by yourself. And if you don't understand, you can ask me this tomorrow at 11 o'clock. Okay? Now students, let's go with the second topic, that is fill in the blanks. Now look over here. This is done in the expanded form. It is given. Okay, now you have to make it in a short way. Like, look over here. 100 plus 30 plus 7. Now in this you had expanded it in this way. But now you have to cut short and write in this form. Okay? Now look over here, 50 plus 3. So you have to write 5 and the next number, that is 3. Did you understood? Now 105. So 100 comes in hundreds place. Means 1 comes in hundreds place. So tens place is not given over here. So you have to write 0. Then 5 comes in ones place. Did you understood? If tens place is not given, so you have to write 0 in middle. Okay? Now, 1 comes in hundreds place. Then again this 1 comes in tens place and 9 comes in ones place. So 119. 160. So look over here. 1 comes in which place? Hundreds place. So write here 1. And 6 comes in tens place. A 0 is there, so it comes in tens place. And ones place is not given over here. So you have to write 0. Did you understood? Now look over here. 9 tens and 2 ones. So 9 tens and 2 ones. 100. So tens is given over here? No. So you have to write 0. And ones is given, so you have to write 7. Now 100, 6 tens and 6 ones. So 100. Then what comes at tens place? 6. And what comes in one place? 6. Did you understood? 100 plus 110 plus 3 ones. So 100 comes in ones place. Then tens place, which number is there? 1 only. And ones place, which number is there? 3. Okay, you understood? Now you have to give the place value of the colored digit number. Like 96. Now which is the colored number? Red is in, 9 is in red color. So 9 comes in which place? tens place. So you have to write here 9. And how many numbers are after 9? Only 1. So you have to write here 90. Did you understood? Now 186. Sorry, B1. 48. Now which is the colored one? 8 is the colored one. So 8 comes in which place? One's place only. So you have to write only 8. Yes? Did you understood? Now 142. So which is the colored one? Yes, which is the colored one? 2. So 2 comes in which place? One's place. So you have to only write 2. Because here no number is there. So it comes in one's place. Now 186. Now which is the colored one? Tell me. 8. So 8 comes in which place? If you still get confused, you can try like this also. Ones, tens and hundreds. So 8 comes in which place? Tens place. So write here 8. And how many number comes after 8? Only 1. So write here 0. Okay? Now look over here. 197. So what is the number over here colored? 1. So if you still get confused, you can try like this. Ones, tens and hundreds. So 1 comes in which place? Hundreds place. So write here 1. And how many numbers comes after 1? 1, 2. So write 2 zeros. Okay? Again. Which is the colored number over here? 109. Which is the colored number? 1 is the colored number. So, ones, tens and hundreds. So, write here 1. And how many numbers comes after 1? 2 numbers are there, na? So, write here 2 zeros. Yes? Now, you all know counting tens. Yes? Now, look over here. 100, 110. What comes after 110? Count. 11, 12, 110,